Hey everybody, how's it going? Beth Hayes again with you here tonight, and I wanted to ask you a question. How would an extra $70 a day help you in your life? Would that extra $70 make a difference for you? Would that be an extra tank of gas that you could put in your car, or maybe a little bit more? Would that be some extra groceries that you could buy? Would it go towards a bill that you need to pay? How would an extra $70 a day impact your life? Now, if you get started in the business that I'm promoting right now, if you get started with me in myEcon, which is my business that I'm promoting, you could earn $70 commissions from the sales of memberships. So if you had one sale per day at $70, that would be your commission for the day. One sale, $70. Now that doesn't seem like a whole lot, right? But when you look at it as to how it impacts your life, now that might mean something to you. If you don't know where all that money might need to go coming up in the future, but wouldn't it sure be nice to have that extra $70? Now with this business, you are paid weekly, every Friday, and so that would be $70 times 7 coming in a week, or just under $500 for the week. Now, if you look at it that way, that sounds a little bit better, right? $500 for the week, that's pretty good. Look at it over the course of a month. You could be making just a little more than $2,000 a month. If you made one sale per day, $70. That adds up over time. That is something serious. That might help you pay something like your mortgage or something like that. You might be able to pay something more significant. Maybe you could pay your car payment or your utility bills or whatever it might be. That would be an extra $2,000 a month to help you with your bills, or to put away in case of a rainy day. A rainy day, you never know what might happen. It's always good to have a rainy day fund, and $500 a week, $2,000 a month can really add up. So message me and ask me how you can get started. I can help you with this. I can make it simple for you to get that $70 per day. Send me a message or drop a comment down below. I'd love to talk to you about that. How can that help you, and how can we get you started?